Guys, welcome back to another devlog. So I have actually fixed the game ever since that one issue. So welcome to level 44. There's this machine right here, really safe and fun ride for. And you can peel this off the trash because this says do not enter trash grinder and chute. If you didn't know already, this is a abandoned trash chute elevator. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! So yeah, I can just go in here. And then it's like an RNG thing, just like level 42. Hope that you go the right way. And so that's the right way. And then you go into this thing, and then you get sent off. And I honestly don't know where you go after that. I haven't planned this out yet. So yeah, and then here's what happens if you go the other way. I'm gonna try to get the other way. Yep. And then you fall into the meat grinder, as I'd like to call it. So all these tubes are just made out of 13 parts, surprisingly or not. And these curves, I like these curves. Yeah. Yeah, so these are grouped so I can make them in sections. So then it's gonna be easier for me to do this. Like just rotate it. Something like that. I don't know. Fibonacci spiral. Insert the Fibonacci spirals on image onto screen right now. And what I do is I'd ungroup it and then I just level it out to the desired angle by deleting it. Isn't going too well right now, cause I'm gonna have to. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, just like that. Hoping that you've stored enough potential energy. You're just gonna do a lot of stuff here. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Yeah, just to make a turn, you just rotate it. Could you have ever noticed? Unless if you don't know how rotation works, yeah, you don't know this. And then just secure the docking clamp, as I now like to call it. Why did I just make that noise? Just make pipes. Hope this isn't too similar to Flood Escape version 1.7 or Rodland of Pipes, which is actually the original. And then just start doing lava da da. That's not gonna work. We got enough potential energy stored so I can go across these. And I'm just making it look cool so you think you're going the right way. Oh, and also the other one that's the correct direction will also have something goofy like this. Let's just test it out. There's gonna be like sound on audio here. Yeah. Kinda quiet. Whoa. That was nice. Just extend this out. Make a random gap here that hopefully you'll be able to pass through. And then I'm just gonna grab one of these things. And then just. So what I'm gonna do here is there's gonna be a high increase here. So that once you go up this, you'll slide back down, slide through this crack, and go somewhere. I honestly don't know where to go after that. Maybe. Yeah, this is good. And then the grinder. Let's get the player favorite. Wow, the player favorite. The massive rolling tunnel of absolute doom. Just scale this down a little bit. Oh. Yeah. Then these will just be the grinder blades. Because I'm honestly too bothered to make actual grinder blades. Like, I'm have to do homework really soon, so. Let's make this spin opposite directions. They're not spinning the way I want them to. So I just gotta. Yep, that's a grinder room. Just gotta fix. Yeah, and we're done. That's the grinder. Let's see how well it works. Yeah, I realize this one is spinning the wrong way somehow. I think they're both spinning the right way now. No, clearly not. Yeah, let's just. Yeah, I tried rotating them, but it's just stuck like this. Yeah. Yeah, let's just test it out again. This is kind of a ride. Woohoo. Ow. Owie. I can't see anything. Which direction am I going? Whoa. Yeah, so because of that, we're gonna add some conveyor belts in here. Yeah. Let's ramp up the speed. Oh, that's too high. Yep, hope you have enough potential energy for that. Well, so I'm in the sitting trip down state. Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. Come on, go the other way. Yeah. Also, there's an actual animation to that thing falling down. Exactly how I wanted it to work. Yes. Let's test it again, but here. Because just, why not? Yes! As I fly away into interdimensional space and give the epileptic people, unfortunately, Caesar salad. I made a caprese salad today. It was delicious. Why is there two? Wow, this is what it looks like in first person. Isn't this so cool? Wow, I wonder where this goes. I hope this is safe. OSHA didn't approve this. Yeah, let's do this. First person FPV mode. Honestly, this kind of sucks. It worked. Let's go. This works perfectly. Oh right, I also forgot to say I haven't eaten dinner yet, so I have to finish up this video really quick. Yeah, do basically the same thing, and then you go in here and then fly over to Nowhere Land. Oh yeah, and also I made a few changes to level 42. I've added the cutscenes, except they're slightly different because they didn't autosave for some reason. Yeah. I forgot to talk. I forgot to enable the mic, bro. Anyways, it was just me showing the particles. And yeah, that's the end. Bye.